This is my easy chicken Alfredo recipe. It's so simple and it's done in just 8 simple ingredients. So you're gonna dice up your chicken and you're gonna season it with salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic salt. And you're gonna mix up your chicken really, really well. Then you're gonna go ahead and add a cap full of oil to your water. This helps prevent the noodles from sticking together. And you're going to season your water liberally with salt. You want to be able to taste your water. You want your water to taste like a soup. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to a pan and add your chicken to the pan. And you're going to cook your chicken. Now you're going to go ahead and add your noodles to the boiling water. Set that aside and let that cook. And you're going to pull your cooked chicken off of the stove and set it aside. Now you're going to take a new pan and you're going to fill it with a pint of heavy whipping cream. Add a little bit of salt, some onion powder, and some garlic powder. You're doing this to taste, so go ahead and taste your food, see how it tastes, adjust the seasonings if you need to. Then you're gonna add 12 ounces of Parmesan cheese. Strain your noodles when they're done. Go ahead and add your cooked chicken back into your sauce when your sauce is starting to cook and thicken. And add your sauce to your noodles. Mix your sauce into your noodles. And you are ready to serve. And there you have it, 8 ingredient chicken Alfredo. You can have this anytime. It's a perfect dinner. It's a perfect snack. It's perfect when you're really, really hungry and you need something quick. It can be done in 10, 15 minutes. Super easy. Enjoy. And be sure to like and subscribe for more recipes every week.